Carpenters and weekend woodworkers alike know the struggle. Inaccurate cuts, misaligned joints, and that inevitable mountain of sawdust. Beyond the mess, material waste, and time-consuming manual adjustments can slow down your projects and drain your budget. But at Top Buy Lab, we believe that the right tools don't just make the job easier, they make it professional. Today, we're breaking down the latest innovations in woodworking that solve these age-old problems. All the links to the products mentioned are in the description below. Number 30. Bosch Nano Blade Saw. Have you ever tried to make a freehand cut in a piece of wood only to have the blade chatter and ruin the finish before you even started? Bosch clearly got tired of that frustration. The Nano Blade cordless saw changes the game. Unlike traditional jigsaws, it uses a tiny revolving chain that eliminates vibration entirely. There's no complex setup required. Your cuts come out clean and straight every time, whether you're working with timber or PVC. Number 29. SKL 2-in-1 Combo Saw. Versatility is key in a small workshop. The SKL Combo Saw is a hybrid tool that merges a reciprocating saw and a jigsaw into one lightweight package. Switching modes is as simple as sliding the clicking handle, and the universal blade holder accepts both jigsaw and recipe blades. Number 28. Chisel Sharpening System. A dull chisel isn't just a nuisance. It's actually dangerous because it requires more force to use, leading to slips. This sharpening system removes the guesswork by locking your tool into the perfect angle every time. The honing guide ensures stability, while the wide roller provides extra support as you move across the whetstone. Even if you've never sharpened a tool in your life, this system will give you a mirror-like, razor-sharp edge in minutes. Number 27. NX20 Nail Extractor. Demolition and reclaimed wood projects are a lot easier when you aren't fighting every single nail. The NX20 is a heavy-duty extractor made from reinforced steel and aluminum. Inside is a small but powerful 18V motor that provides constant pulling torque. What makes it a top buy is its ability to grab nails that are barely sticking out, as little as 3/32 of an inch. It's the perfect tool for pulling old deck boards or flooring without damaging the wood surface. Number 26. Klein Tools Low-Profile Tool Belt. This is a simple but ingenious redesign of the traditional tool belt. Priced at around $28, it sits just below the waistline, meaning you don't have to bend or reach uncomfortably to grab your gear. It clips directly onto your existing belt and allows you to attach multiple modular pouches in one place. It keeps your high-frequency tools organized and accessible without the bulk of a full contractor's rig. Number 25. Woodpeckers Mortising Base. Edge guides for routers are great for grooves, but working on narrow edges can be unstable and risky. The Woodpeckers Mortising Base solve this by securely sandwiching your workpiece between 2-inch deep guides. This provides a rock-solid, stable platform for your plunge router. It includes 4 stainless steel guide rods and adjustable brackets, letting you dial in the exact spacing and height for perfectly centered mortises every time. Number 24. Ihwa Wood Burning Kit. Pyrography or wood burning is a fantastic way to add a mastermind artistic touch to your projects. The Ihwa kit includes everything a beginner or pro needs to create intricate designs on wood, leather, or even gourds. It comes with multiple interchangeable tips for fine lines, shading, and bold textures. Number 23. Pop Ice Pro Ceiling Scraper. If you're dealing with old, textured popcorn ceilings, you know how messy that job can be. The Pop Ice Pro is a $44 solution designed to make the process safer and cleaner. The heavy-duty metal scraper attaches to your shop vac via an extension pole, so the mess is sucked away the moment it's scraped off. While it requires a bit of technique, it significantly reduces the amount of dust and debris that ends up on your floors and in your lungs. Number 22. Miles Craft Compact Subbase. Standard router bases can be limiting. The Miles Craft Subbase is a versatile assistant that fits almost all trim and compact routers. It rotates a full 360 degrees for total control and even includes mortising pins for high-precision cuts. The universal mounting system makes setup instantaneous, giving you the convenience and accuracy of a much larger router in a compact, manageable form factor. Number 21. Lakefront Toys Finger Joint Template. Transform ordinary joints into stunning pieces of craftsmanship with these templates. You get 3 different templates, offering 6 unique decorative patterns. Swapping them out takes less than a minute, and when paired with a standard 8mm router bit, you can create half-blind, or through joints with beautiful organic shapes. Every template is CNC machined for precision down to a fraction of a millimeter. Number 20. Chamfer Plain Edge Trimmer. Stop struggling with sandpaper to fix rough, irregular edges. This chamfer plane is small but mighty, allowing you to smooth, shape, and perfect your edges in seconds. It features adjustable cutting depth and high-carbon steel blades that stay sharp through miles of hardwood. It even has built-in bubble levels, so you can ensure your tool is perfectly flat as you work, giving your projects a professional, beveled finish. Number 19. Magnetic Stud Finder. Forget the finicky electronic stud finders that beep at everything. This magnetic locator uses a powerful neodymium magnet to find the screws and nails used to secure drywall to your studs. It features a 1.3-inch needle for pinpoint accuracy and doesn't require any batteries. Its non-slip grip and simple design make it a reliable, lifetime tool for any DIYer or professional installer. Number 18. Kreg VersaGrip Clamp. If you need a clamp that does it all, the 6-inch Kreg VersaGrip is a solid choice. It's designed for one-handed operation via a smooth trigger action, letting you hold your workpiece with one hand and secure it with the other. The soft, non-marring pads protect your delicate wood surfaces, while the high clamping pressure ensures nothing shifts during glue-up. Number 17. ArborTech Turbo Plane. This is a universal wood shaping blade that turns your standard angle grinder into a powerful carving tool. You can use it flat for large, level surfaces or at an angle for fine sculpting and contouring. The wide, carbide-tipped teeth leave a smooth finish that requires very little sanding. It's ideal for making chair seats, large bowls, or any project that requires removing large amounts of material with precision. Number 16. Rockler Deluxe Panel Clamps. Misaligned panels and warped glue-ups can ruin a project. These mini panel clamps apply pressure in 4 directions simultaneously, forcing your boards to stay perfectly flat and your joints to stay flush. This significantly reduces the amount of time you spend at the wide belt sander later. Made from 1.8mm thick powder-coated steel, these clamps are built for professional, high-pressure use. Number 15. Rollplug Cordless Caulking Gun. For high-volume chemical anchoring and heavy-duty adhesives, a manual gun is a recipe for hand cramps. This cordless dispenser provides 8 kilonewtons of compression force, making it easy to dispense even the thickest materials with a consistent, high-quality finish. Its ergonomic design and battery-powered freedom allow you to move quickly across the job site without fatigue. Number 14. Saddle Square Scribe Tool. This is a compact layout tool that you'll end up using on every project. It's designed to wrap around a corner, letting you mark the face and the edge of a board with the exact same dimension. It can also scribe 45-degree miters around a corner with ease. With 1mm scales and center point guides, it ensures your layout marks are always accurate, even when working in tight, awkward spaces. Number 13. Parallel Guide System for Track Saws. A track saw is great for straight cuts, but making repeated, identical cuts can be a challenge. A parallel guide system attaches directly to your guide rail and provides fixed stops that lock in your measurements. This keeps the saw perfectly parallel to the edge of the material for every single cut. It transforms your track saw into a precision cabinet-making tool. Number 12. Doweling Jig with Adjustable Spacing. Unlike standard fixed jigs, this one offers adjustable spacing between the drill bushings, allowing you to customize your joinery for any project size. It features an etched center line for perfect alignment and a robust stop system for consistent hole depth. The kit includes 4 different bushing sizes, from 1/4 inch to 1 inch, making it one of the most comprehensive doweling systems on the market. Number 11. General Tools Dovetail Jig. Dovetail joints are the hallmark of fine furniture, but they are notoriously difficult to cut by hand. This jig from General Tools simplifies the process, letting you create professional-grade dovetails that fit together like a perfect puzzle. Made from solid aluminum with micro-adjustment knobs. Number 10. Mini Belt Sander. Sanding flat surfaces is easy, but getting into tight corners and edges can be a nightmare. This mini belt sander is lightweight and powerful, featuring variable speed control and a thin, flexible belt. It's aggressive enough to remove material quickly, but delicate enough for fine finishes on table legs or guitar necks. It's a professional-grade solution that won't break your budget. Number 9. Triton Benchtop Joiner. Flat and square lumber is the foundation of good woodworking. This benchtop joiner features a powerful 1,100-watt motor and a 6-inch cutting width. The dual-blade cutter block can remove up to 3.2 millimeters in a single pass, making quick work of rough boards. The aluminum fence tilts between 45 and 135 degrees, giving you the flexibility for beveled edges and precise joinery. Number 8. Dust Stopper Pro. Don't let sawdust kill your shop vac. The dust stopper intercepts 99% of dust and with chips before they ever reach your vacuum's filter, keeping your suction power strong and your filters clean. It's compact, efficient, and handles everything from fine dust to water and pet hair. It's an essential upgrade for any workshop that wants to stay clean and productive. Number 7. Woodpecker Drill Press Protractor. Setting accurate angles on a drill press is usually a guessing game. This precision protractor features a vernier scale that provides measurements down to 5 minutes of a degree. It's perfect for setting up angled holes, calibrating miter gauges, and ensuring your joinery is dead on. The clear engraved markings make it easy to read even in a busy, dusty shop. Number 6. Digital Angle Gauge. Throw away your plastic protractors. This digital gauge from Weepar offers professional-grade accuracy and sticks magnetically to your saw blade. It displays the exact angle on a bright LCD screen, ensuring every bevel cut is perfectly aligned. It's built to withstand extreme temperatures, so it stays accurate whether you're in a freezing garage or a hot job site. Number 5. Sacker Marking Tool. This isn't just a pencil. It's a multi-function scribing tool made for real construction. It can be adjusted into over 15 different shapes, making it easy to mark parallel lines, complex curves, and awkward edges. Built from aircraft-grade aluminum, it locks firmly into place so your measurements stay consistent. It clips to your pocket, ready to provide the clean, accurate lines every project requires. Number 4. 8-in-1 Multi-Blade Hand Saw. This versatile saw replaces 8 separate tools in your kit. With blades that swap out in seconds, it can cut wood, metal, drywall, and plastic. It features a professional-grade tensioning mechanism that keeps the blade rigid for accurate cuts and an ergonomic, non-slip grip for safety. It's the ultimate space-saver tool for your toolbox. Number 3. Miter Angler. This tool automatically bisects angles when you align its legs into a corner. It's the perfect solution for cutting crown molding or trim in older homes, where the walls are never a perfect 90 degrees. The modern design features a threaded locking knob to hold your angle while you transfer it to the saw. Number 2. Self-Centering Dowel Kit. Made from aircraft-grade aluminum with laser-etched scales. This kit is built for precision drilling. It works with boards up to 1.33 inches thick and includes 8, 10, and 15 millimeters bits. The metal bushings provide exact alignment, though some users have noted that the adjustment range is best suited for standard board sizes. It's a fast, reliable way to create strong, hidden joints. Number 1. CSI Electric Suction Cup. Stop struggling to lift heavy glass, stone, or metal sheets by hand. This electric suction cup can lift up to 200 kilograms using pure vacuum force. It creates a seal in just 3 seconds and features an LED display that monitors the pressure automatically. With dual safety buttons and 221V batteries, it makes heavy lifting a one-handed task, sticking to surfaces like magic and keeping you safe on the job. That's all for today's look at the latest in woodworking tech. Which of these 30 tools is going on your must-have list for your next project? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this guide helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to Top Buy Lab for more deep dives into the best tools on the market. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.